Hey YouTube, this is Scott and Sharon Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? Well, we are in the Everglades getting ready to do an airboat tour. Stay tuned. Welcome to part 3 of our Bahamas Cruise Adventure, Airboats and Alligators. If you missed the first 2 episodes, check out the links below. Even though our Bahamas cruise ended today, there was time for one more excursion. This time we traded in our coffee cups and waterfalls for something with a little bit more bite. For years, I've dreamed of skidding sideways across the Everglades in an airboat. As luck would have it, one of the excursions the cruise offered on the day we returned to Miami was an airboat tour. Needless to say, it was time to check this off my bucket list. And, as a bonus, this excursion made leaving the port of Miami much easier. Instead of attempting to find an Uber in a sea of people also trying to disembark, with luggage in hand, we were quickly escorted to our tour bus. Once on the bus, we settled down for a short ride to the Everglades Holiday Park. After boarding the aluminum flat-bottom boat, the massive twin V8 engines roared to life. This was going to be epic. As the boat was carefully navigated to the launch position, my heart began to race with anticipation. Then it was time to drop the pedal and go. And go we did. Our 30-minute tour began with a high-speed run down a straightaway. The captain then killed the power and the boat easily slowed to a more relaxing speed to navigate the channels. With cameras in hand, it was time for us to start hunting alligators. The Everglades Holiday Park tours were normally 60 minutes long and allowed for more time and opportunity to see the elusive alligators. However, the cruise ship tours were only 30 minutes long to allow for guests to make their flights home. Unfortunately for us, this meant there wasn't much time for us to really see much of the Everglades or slide sideways while hydroplaning across the water. Oh well, maybe next time. With all eyes fixed to the banks, the rumble of the V8s pushed us down the channel. Soon we were at the spots where the alligators normally basked in the sun.
Now, if you look ahead of you and on the left-hand side, you see that big tree that's a little darker than the rest. He's right on our side, this side of that tree. Well, I shouldn't say he is. You guys are my first tour of the day, so I don't know if he's there or not. There's a fair chance that he's sitting on that mud patch. Be right where this kind of grass ends and before that big tree. And it'll be obvious if he's there. It's a pretty cleared out area. Also on the right-hand side, if you see where that grass is kind of matted down, sometimes there's an alligator posted up there, although I don't see one there either. And unfortunately, guys, we've run out of time here.
While many pictures were taken, none were of alligators. And in an instant, the docks appeared from behind the trees, and our 30-minute tour ended. After the captain skillfully docked the boat, we disembarked and were treated to an alligator show. Well, about a 30-minute airboat tour, and now we are in a gator show, so this will be interesting. This is where the volunteer waded into a pool of alligators where he found the star of the show.
Excuse me, guys.
He then picked up the gator and carried him to the center of the enclosure, This is where the two of them provided some education on the alligator species and its populations in Florida. Well, at least the volunteer did. The alligator, however, it just sat there looking at the audience. I'm guessing it was wondering if we all taste like chicken.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
And just like that, our Bahamas adventure came to an end. It was time to head back to the now frigid Midwest, where it took several days to reacclimate to the sub-20-degree weather. The next video takes us back to the garage where we install and test our new open road freestanding 270-degree awning. Make sure you subscribe to see it. See you then. Thanks for watching.